Back with Bobby and JJ Radio, we have Mr. Abel Longoria here with Gooseneck Insurance. He is a San Antonio native. His whole he's come a pedigree of insurance from insurance. So his dad and his whole family have been in insurance for a long time. Your mom and your dad, correct?
Yes. Is it true that your great-great-grandfather insured the Alamo?
No. That's not
okay.
It's a rumor. It's an urban legend.
And I started
it. We're getting it. Yeah.
I started it and then I ended
I'm down to just start putting that on all my marketing material though. That sounds good.
Yeah, like I insured Davy Crockett.
Yeah.
Hey, I think that would work.
It's a great tagline.
Yeah. So Abel is actually our preferred insurance agent, and we use him personally, and we make sure that all of our clients at least get a quote from him because he's a good guy. And he definitely tries to give everyone the right insurance, which is kind of a different thing in this industry. I feel that a lot of insurance agents try to get sometimes the cheapest insurance just to make the actual loan work, or sometimes they miss out some stuff and say upgrade later, which no one ever does. But Abel sits down with all of our clients and really just takes the time to make sure that everyone gets the right stuff.
Yeah, most people that we refer to Abel, they trust him. I don't know if it's a beard,
I think it's
his rates,
it's the beard,
the company, or all three.
Yeah. That or, the fact that he
it's
insured
the
Davy
sweet phone voice.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
That's probably it too.
Yeah.
So tell us everything about Abel Longoria Agency, the Gooseneck.
Yeah. So it's actually Goosehead.
Goosehead.
Yeah, it's all good. Everybody
Goosehead.
calls it Gooseneck for whatever
I leave
reason.
a gooseneck up because that's when we're playing basketball.
That's right.
I just leave it
that's
up.
That's right.
The air ball?
The air ball gooseneck.
There it is. I like it.
I want everyone to know that it was me that shot that.
Right. Okay. Good deal. Yeah. Whatever makes you remember it, Goose. It's whatever's easy. But yes, Goosehead Insurance, great organization. It's basically insurance for the 21st century. Nobody wants to go shopping for insurance anymore.
Right.
It takes a lot of time. It's boring. You gotta pay them over and over and over again.
Sure.
What we do is you call us real quickly. We get some information. We can actually shop pretty much the whole Texas marketplace for you. We can shop 30 different A-rated carriers, which is a really good deal. It's going to save clients a lot of time. And at the end of the day, we're probably going to get them the best rate, which is a really good deal. And also, what's nice is I don't have just one option. I'm not just going to present something because that's what I have. I'm going to present several things, figure out what the client is looking for, and try to tailor something specific to them.
Sure.
All while walking them through the whole process. I try to be their concierge, not only when they're buying the policy, but afterwards, walk them through claims, walk them through changes, really anything that they need.
So they're going to call you, and they're going to get a different carrier, right? A major insurance company.
Correct. Yes. So Goosehead Insurance does not provide
Your broker.
the insurance. We broker out.
So you find them the best deal.
We find them the best deal, whether it's with MetLife, Travelers, Safeco, Progressive. We have a lot of different options.
I like it.
Exactly.
So you can get it. So you're pretty much a one-stop shop to see who's going to get the best deal. That's the insurance company now competing to get the business from your clients for your clients.
Right. Exactly. And what's also is good. And one thing I'll also harp on a little bit is once we get the policy, a lot of brokerages will just pass it on off to MetLife or Travelers, and you can't contact them again. That's not the case with us. Like I said, we're the concierge throughout the life of the policy.
Right.
We're going to be there, and clients will actually have my cell phone number.
So if I got a roof leak, you're there with buckets, right?
Exactly.
Got it.
Exactly.
Yeah, we heard it first.
Yeah.
So walk us through
Agent Abel, here to save the day.
That's it. Walk us through the process when we tell you that a buyer's under contract. Walk us through what you do with them throughout the entire experience.
Sure. So what's going to happen, I like partnering with real estate professionals, and it's always good to have a team because these guys, Bobby and JJ, when it happens with their clients, they're going to send me a lot of the info on the house. That way I don't have to go over that, take an extra 15 minutes with the client, just to get the square footage, which they have on a piece of paper. They just email it to me. Call the client, get their personal information, date of birth, social, all that fun stuff. Then I'm not going to have them on the phone while I shop 30 different companies. I'm going to let them go, especially when they're buying a home. You have a lot of stuff going on. You don't want to be wasting that time.
Exactly.
So I'm going to be giving you a call back sometime later on within 24 hours with options. Usually we'll have 3 options, one that's a cheap policy, one that's recommended, and then maybe one with like a bigger name like MetLife, because some clients want a bigger name.
Sure. And so what are some common gaps that you see that are in homeowners' policies that they're missing?
There's a lot of gaps, but the ones that I always go over are the water coverages.
Like wind-driven rain? That screwed me one time.
Wind-driven rain is a big one. Those are going to be on your cheapo policies. Allstate has wind-driven rain on their policy, or will not cover wind-driven rain.
Yeah.
But wind-driven rain is when there's a storm, and it presents damages in your house, but those damages do not show themselves until maybe a month later. So there's no storm, there's nothing that happened, quote unquote. It's just insurance companies will say that it's quote unquote wear and tear.
But you're not going to try to sell me like meteor insurance or nothing like that, right?
Meteor.
No, actually, meteors would be covered on my policies.
Awesome.
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're good
Some of
then.
my policies will actually cover poltergeist.
So if I have home, auto, or life right now, can we send it to you to look it over and you can see if you can do better?
Absolutely. I always will do policy reviews, and I can send clients to a great website that Texas Department of Insurance actually puts up, where you can actually look at all the fine print coverages from all the different policies, and I'll always do comparisons side by side with my clients.
So if you have any kind of insurance and you want to see if you're getting the best rates and not having any gaps or holes, contact Abel Longoria at 210-760-0341. Again, that's 760-0341. You can email him at abel.longoria@goosehead.com.
That's right.
Or you can check out his website, which is agentabel.com.